Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and today on the show, we got a couple of really good songs for you. Michael Lyons and Natasha are going to sing a song. What's this one called? I think we're calling it Gimmick Wayne Day Nana. Oh, yeah. Gimmick Wayne Day Nana. Do you remember? And what's the other song called? And then we're doing a song about Leech Lake. And then Gazaga Squad Jamaica. Leech Lake. You know, I was reading up on Leech Lake. And did you know that Leech Lake was the third largest lake in Minnesota? No, I guess I didn't. Yeah. I suppose Red Lake's the biggest one, huh? I don't know. All right. Well, take it away, you guys. Gimmick Wayne Day Nana. Do you remember? Gimmick Wayne Day Nana. Do you remember? In Ojibwe I say, for do you remember? Gimmick Wayne Day Nana means do you remember? Do you remember? I remember one day, and you and me in the pouring rain, water ran down my chin. So you pulled me close and you drank it in, but I remember your ways, and you and me in a sad embrace, and I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. I remember one night and the casual fight by candlelight as the room grew dim. You lied to me when you talked about him. I remember your ways, and you and me in a sad embrace, and I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons and Natasha. And what's this next song called? This is Gazaga Squad Jamaica, Leech Lake. Gazagasqua, Jamaica, Leech Lake. So I rode. Take two. So I wrote a song about Leech Lake, how to say it in Ojibwe. Gazagasqua, Jamaica, Gazagasqua, Jamaica. It's fun when you sing it. Now Natasha's gonna bring it. Gazagasqua, Jamaica, 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 Gazagasqua. Oh, you think you got it? Gazagasqua, Jamaica, Leech Lake. La 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 la. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons on the guitar. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and I will see you again. GOFUNDME, Minowa, Hawa. Nicely done there, Michael. Hey, thank you so much. And I want to, just before we sign out here, just want to remind you, if you sign up on Patreon, everybody gets a copy of Like Snow on Skin. And it's a handy Ojibwe language reference guide by Michael Lyons. So there you go. Give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Oh, Check 1, 2, la la la.